You can sit.
Sit in the chair there, Ian.
There's a chair. Grab a chair there. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's Jason's chair anyways. Go ahead and stink it up.
Jason's is the yellow one.
Oh, okay.
You don't sit on my phone.
Okay, hopefully my chain is...
Pardon me?
How many volts?
That depends. Somewhere between 6 and 18, depending on the model. Hook me up, Lou. Make sure you make a mess when you drag me back up the hill, too.
Pull the other guy up.
Okay, where are we going to hook to?
Wherever you like.
Oh, isn't that beautiful? Yeah.
The giant hands of God have come in.
So the cylinder is hydraulic, or what's actuating the cylinder?
Yeah, that's hydraulic. This has hydraulic. That has hydraulic. This little dozer that I just rolled over that we're going to try and pull out actually has electric actuators on it to operate the blade. The one wheel loader over there that's just a brooder toy converted, it has actuators on it. Cat track loader is done with servos and a screw drive to lift it, and then it just looks like hydraulics. Hook her onto the... She went that way.
Okay, where are we going to hook to?
Just hook it onto the ROPS, if you can. We don't care. It's a lease.
Yeah, sure.
We don't know no bolt in her. Look at Rocco, he's stoked over there.
Rocco, come on!
Okay, so...
You have insurance for the salvage?
Yeah. If I would have done it properly, I could have.
That's what I was playing with today, Henry.
Me likey.
We'll say, don't tell me, you want one of those too.
Alright, here we go. This is gonna get ugly, I can tell. We were hooked on there. You needed to be over there to roll me back over, and then we don't care. Cool. Wooden wheels on it. Nice. Oh, here we go. Action. The hook's gonna come undone, maybe.
Well, I better not.
Oh, look at that! Keep backing up, Lou. We got her.
Okay.
Check the oil and we're back at her.
Okay, let me take a photo of that before.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Nice. Nice rescue, Lou.